Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, like I was saying this morning, this could be a wave Z right here. This potentially could be a wave C of wave Z. Your wave A would be over here, this would be the B, and then this is a C. So, if we do get like a double or a triple top, then we get an impulsive down, then we get a clear break of structure at a key Fibonacci level, which we are at the 90% right now, then that definitely would turn me bearish. And if that right there is the end of the wave Z on the 4 hour to daily time frame, it would likely turn into a downtrend on the 4 hour to daily time frame. Otherwise, if you don't get the breaker structure, there's really no reason to be bearish, and I would definitely continue to be bullish as long as we don't get a breaker structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.